Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tawqit Ahmed and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. So this is a pretty easy model. All you need is a rectangular paper, and you can also use A4 paper if you want, because I'm also using A4 paper. So first, to make this paper boat, hold it vertically and then fold it like this. Try to make it exact. Here, like this. Now look carefully. Now you will hold it like this. So the folded part is on my left. And then fold it like this, but don't fold it all the way. Make a pinch mark right over here. Here. And then open it back up. And now we will put this edge right here. With the help of the pinch mark. See, like this. And then do the same thing with the other side. And yeah. Now fold these part up like this, flip it over and do the same thing. And then you need to flip it over, open this part. Sorry, wait. Flip it over, open this part, and then fold these corners right over here, like so. See right here? It will look like this. And then you need to fold these parts to the crease. And then fold these parts back up like this. And now you need to pull this open. Hold it open. Make sure it's flat. And then after it's flat, then fold these parts up to there. Fold. And then flip it over and do the same thing. Do like this. And then open it back up again. Now we're finished. We just need to pull these over and then flat these parts so this thing can stand up. And then open it like this. And so yeah, you're done. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.